Welcome to our channel. If Grubhub isn't working or you're experiencing order errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening other apps to ensure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Close the Grubhub app completely and reopen it. On iOS, swipe up and close the app. On Android, force stop it through Settings. Step 3. Update the Grubhub app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Grubhub, and Clear Cache. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Restart your device completely to clear any temporary system errors that might be affecting the app. Step 6. Verify your delivery address is correct and within the service area of the restaurant you're trying to order from. Step 7. Check your payment method in account settings. Ensure your credit card number, expiration date, and billing information are correct. Step 8. Try a different payment method if your card is being declined. Add another credit card, debit card, or try using PayPal. Step 9. Try ordering through the Grubhub website instead of the app to see if it's an app-specific issue. Step 10. Contact Grubhub customer support through the app or website if the problem persists, providing order details and screenshots of error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.